So we're looking into the ability for a personal training agreement to be frozen. So how would we do that is basically, first of all, the plan or the rate, the product that is being sold to the member has to have freezing enabled at the time of plan creation before billing the member. So just giving a gist about where it will be visible and where it has to be updated in the plan, and then we'll see how to freeze a personal training membership. So this is all the rate card that you look into, and so it consists of all your paid in full contracts based on membership, person training, everything appears over here. And the one that I'm just looking into is the one that we are going to freeze for the member. So where would you see the freezing? That is what we're looking into. So I'm just opening up any of the plans. So this is a plan that is before this is the configuration part. So you see under the advanced settings, we do have the freezing option. How many attempts are allowed for the member to freeze in one calendar year, or the validity based membership, which is, for example, it's 6 months membership. Then in the period of 6 months, how many times the freezing is allowed. So this is where the attempts comes into picture, and then you have the maximum and minimum days that you have to set for the freezing. So this is where you set the number of days. So once this is being configured and if it is being billed to the member, then we go to client management, click on freeze. We can either freeze from the profile of the member, that is, go to the profile, search the profile, open up subscription. This is the personal training membership that we need to freeze. We click on freeze over here. By default, it comes under the freeze tab, which is under client management freeze, where we have to create the freeze. We search the client, and then when once it's been selected, it will give you the membership that are there that has to be frozen or that is allowed to be frozen. As you can see, person training membership, the attempts is one and it's yet to be frozen. And if there are any history about the member whose membership was frozen earlier, you can see the name of the membership package and the start and end date of the freeze. When was it done and whether what was the status of it. So we just have to click on this person training. Now we get a pop-up where we have to select whether whatever the appointments is being booked between the days that will be frozen, whether we would like to have it cancelled or will let it be as is. So what we will be selecting is based on that is cancel appointments and classes for all subscription during the free period. So we have to select the radio button and click on it. We select the date range. Let's say it's been pre-scheduled, so we select till this days, and then mention the reason why the member is freezing. Maybe going on a vacation or traveling, so you can mention it that way. Let's say traveling, and then we click apply. So this is how the freeze gets applied, and it will reflect in the list of freeze. As you can see, person training, it's been scheduled. This is how it looks. And we also can see under the client's profile under the transactions, we have this freeze option over here. It will also show over here where the freeze is being done. Thank you.